Actor cum politician Kenneth Okonkwo has come out to explain Peter Obi's 7-point agenda in grand style.
Tell you about Peter Obi's 7-point agenda. 1. Securing and uniting Nigeria. 2. Effective legal and institutional reforms. 3. Production-centered growth for food security. 4. Leapfrogging Nigeria out of oil dependency to the 4th industrial revolution. 5. Human capital development for effective competitiveness. 6. Expanding physical infrastructure through market-driven reforms. 7. Robust foreign policy that will restore Nigerians' strategic relevance in international community. In all these things, they are the things he did and he had done as the governor of Anambra State. Recall, when he was in Anambra State, insecurity was so removed that the IG of police then, Mohammed, said within 5 years of Obi regime, no successful bank robbery took place. None. It's on record. The kidnapper, Evans, ran away from Anambra State. And he said Obi security tactic chased him away. Obi was the first person who started demolishing any home that is owned by kidnappers. And you know what? He said he is going to implement this thing through 3-level policing: federal, state, and community. He used the community vigilante. He was one of the governors that did it. So he inherited terrible Anambra State that was coming last in WAEC through human capital development. Within 2 years, Anambra State started coming first in WAEC. So can you imagine? We have the APC that inherited foreign currency, and they are now coming last in the world. He inherited.
So you think Peter Obi is better than the rest?
Peter Obi, by 3 opinion polls, it's not just that it's better, but that he is the only option. So it is wrong to say that Peter Obi is an alternative option. No, he's the only option.
Some of your friends in Nollywood don't think so.
Yes.
They've thrown their weight behind Bola Tinubu.
You just said Nollywood.
The APC.
You just said Nollywood. I'm not aware. Many of them are politicians. So they are entitled to visit anybody and collect their appearance fee. I am here talking as a politician, not as a Nollywood practitioner. An actor is entitled to his appearance fee. And if you call him as an actor, you have to pay him. If I was invited as an actor, if I'm not a politician, I would tell you what he will pay as appearance fee. And so let us forget them. When they say they are politicians, you see them here and you ask them questions.